Ever looked at a termite mound and thought, that looks like a skyscraper? Or seen a bird's nest and marveled at its structural genius? For centuries, nature has been perfecting design, and today, architects are finally taking notes. This isn't just about making buildings look like plants or animals. It's about learning from the deep, hidden intelligence of the natural world. Welcome to the incredible field of biomimicry, where biology is building the future.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
Let's start with a classic example, the Eastgate Center in Harare, Zimbabwe. This massive office building has no conventional air conditioning, yet it stays cool year-round, even in a hot climate. How? Its design mimics the self-cooling structure of a termite mound. Termites build complex networks of vents that draw in cool air at night and release hot air during the day through a natural convection process. The Eastgate Center uses a similar system of fans and vents, consuming less than 10% of the energy a typical air-conditioned building its size would use. It's a brilliant solution, borrowed directly from nature's smartest engineers. But biomimicry goes beyond just temperature control. Think about the strength and lightness of a bird's bone. Architects applied this principle to design structures that are both incredibly strong and materially efficient. The famous Beijing National Stadium, also known as the bird's nest, isn't just a random pattern. Its interwoven steel beams mimic the seemingly chaotic yet highly organized structure of a nest, providing immense stability while using less steel than a traditional design. It's a perfect fusion of form, function, and natural inspiration. Now let's zoom in from massive structures to the tiny details. Have you ever wondered why lotus leaves always look so clean? Their surfaces are covered in microscopic bumps that cause water droplets to bead up and roll off, taking dirt with them. This lotus effect has inspired self-cleaning paints and building materials. Imagine skyscrapers that clean themselves every time it rains, reducing maintenance costs and the use of harsh chemical cleaners. It's not science fiction. It's a reality inspired by a simple water plant. Even the way organisms communicate and organize themselves offers valuable lessons. Researchers are studying how slime molds, single-celled organisms, can form complex networks to find food efficiently. This seemingly simple behavior is inspiring the design of more adaptive and efficient transportation systems and urban infrastructure. By understanding how nature creates decentralized, resilient networks, we can design cities that respond better to challenges and grow more organically. From the shape of a seashell inspiring a stronger dome to the light-diffusing properties of a butterfly's wing, influencing more efficient solar panels, the examples are everywhere. Biomimicry isn't just about sustainability. It's about a fundamental shift in how we approach design. Instead of imposing our will on the environment, we're learning to work in harmony with it. Nature has already solved many of the problems we face, from energy production to material waste. It's had a 3.8 billion year head start on research and development. By tapping into this vast library of natural innovation, architects are creating buildings that are not only more beautiful and efficient, but also more attuned to the planet we call home. They are quieter, cooler, stronger, and smarter. This isn't just a trend. It's a new chapter in architecture, one where every leaf, every shell, and every creature holds a secret to building a better world. The next time you walk through a forest or look at a flower, remember you might be looking at the blueprint for the city of tomorrow. Thanks for watching. If you found this inspiring, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of science and design.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.